Hello and welcome to another APro tutorial. In this video I'll be explaining how to format your hard drive so it is compatible with your APro video recorder and can start storing footage. So let's get into the video. Here is the default home screen for a 4-channel DVR. Drag your cursor to the bottom and the toolbar will appear. Click the menu icon in the bottom left of your screen and then click Setup. Click Disk under Device. Here you can see a list of all hard drives connected to your DVR. Select the one you would like to format by toggling the Select button. The Overwrite drop-down bar is how much footage you wish to be wiped once your hard drive is full. You can ask your APro specialist what size hard drive they would recommend for your system and what settings would work best. eSATA option is if you are using an external hard drive using an eSATA connection. If this is true, click Enable. Then click the Format Hard Drive Disk button. Then type in your password to authorize the format.